Hello, this is Byron again. I want to teach you some terminologies about the stock market, some things that if you do get into the stock market, you're going to see and face these words. And I want to teach you a little bit about stock once again. I am a successful day trader. Now, that means that in most brokerage companies, I have a $25,000 minimum in my stock purchases, and you have to have a minimum of 25,000 to be a day trader. And I've been keeping that 25,000 and above, and that's what you have to do. Those are some things you will have to face if you become a day trader. Now, what that means is a couple of things. One thing is you have to know what you're doing, because if you go below that 25,000, you can no longer be a day trader. And if you do try to day trade below 25,000, you could be a pattern day trader and you could be penalized for that. So you don't want to do anything against the policy. That happened to me before. I thought I can do more than 3-day trades in a 5-day working period, and they cut off my margins. That means that, see, they give you extra buying power when you put so much money in your account. And I put money in my account, and they gave me extra money for buying power. But I decided to be hard-headed, and I did more than 3-day trades in a 5-day working period. And that cost me my margins account. And they could actually cut you off, because that's kind of against the rules and regulations of having, being in the stock market. So that's something you might want to just remember. But being a day trader, oh man, I gotta be honest with you. It's my profession, and I'm serious. If you know what you're doing, you can actually quit your job and make a lot of money doing it. Now, I want to get comfortable here because we're about to get into this. I see so many people and companies talk about this AI trading, artificial intelligence. It's supposed to be a new way of trading and stuff like that. But I'm here to let you know, not even AI or anybody on this earth can really, truly predict the stock market. Now, they can predict trends. Yes, they can. But nobody knows if a stock that second is going to go up and down. Now, all stocks do go up and down. That's the truth. But no stock continually go up. No stock continually go up. It always go like this. Always up and down all day long. So these promises that people are making on TV, I want to emphasize about these promises. Don't believe the hype. The best way for you to get in the stock market, all my friends and family are talking to me about this, is to knowing how to pick your stock. I really feel that's the best way. I'm here for you. I want to tell you that's the best way to do it. Don't listen to promises about this is a good stock, that's a good stock all the time. It's best if you know how to pick your own stock. Okay? And I made a lot of videos talking about that, but I want to go over some terminologies here. I'm a short-term investor. I pick volatile stocks. Stocks that really fluctuate a lot, move up and down real quick. So you can lose a lot of money and you can gain a lot of money. But the way I do it is I gain a lot of money because I've been doing it for 20 years and I know what I'm doing, and that's what I'm trying to teach you. Teach you how to make money picking your own stock. Now, there's so many types of investors, so many. You got your short term, you got your long term, you got your dividend investors. Like I said, there's a lot of different types of investors. But I'm a short term investor, and I've been very successful doing it. But I don't put a lot of money into it because I play it safe a little bit. But I don't lose money. I make like a certain amount every day, but I don't get greedy. I do not get greedy. I take my money and move on to the next stock, and that's what I recommend by you. Now, if you're a beginner trader, I suggest that you might want to go to like index stocks. Index stocks is more safer, or IRA account, individual retirement account. That don't you're that's a long-term type of thing. So is the index fund, but that's not the type that I am. I'm a get rich quick type of a trader. Yep. I penny stocks. A lot of people ask me questions about penny stocks. Penny stocks is $5 and lower. They're kind of riskier, to be honest with you, because there's a reason why they're that low. So penny stocks I do not recommend. They ask me about all these different things. IRA is safer. It's a long term. It's you get a lot of benefits when it comes to taxes and stuff like that with your IRA. I used to be that type of investor, IRA and penny stocks, but I learned not to do that. That's my strategy and my my technique is short term. That's volatile stocks that go up and down real quick. So I can make money real quick just like that. But it's hard to get into that unless you know how to do it. And that's what my videos are telling you, exactly how to do the volatile stocks. Okay. The best thing to do when it comes to stocks, I really believe this from my heart. The most important, it's so many different things, but the most important thing probably is the volume. The volume is basically the number of shares traded. And if you got the number of shares traded from this is the first thing you look at. You look at a lot of things. The first thing you look at, the number, if the number is like 5,000 or 5,000, it jumps to when it jumps to 100,000, then there's a good chance there's a lot of people interested in that stock. Now, then you want to look at if that stock is going up or down. If that stock is going up and the amount of volume has shot up that high, it's probably a good trade. Yes, once you find that stock is going up and the volume has shot up that much, those are some good indications that stock is going to be a successful stock that day. That's just another thing to look at. It's a lot more to look at, but those are just two things right there. Liquidity, that's another terminology you're going to see when you get into the stock market. It's basically how quick you can get out of a stock, how quick you can liquidate those assets. That's all it is. And that's part of my don't get greedy thing. Once you make money, once you make money in a stock, have yourself a goal and get out. Now, the stock don't have to be a big name stock. It don't have to be like an Amazon or a Tesla or anything like that. The names don't mean nothing when it comes to, not really nothing, just a little bit. It does mean something, but it don't mean a lot when it comes to stock. Like I said, big name companies are not always great investments. That's just the truth. I've been doing this for 25 years. That's how I became a day trader. You got to go by certain little niches, like the volume, what all the analysts are saying. There's analysts saying if 25 analysts are saying it's a strong buy, there's a good chance that stock, at least for the next couple of weeks, is going to continue to go up. It's going to go up and down, but it's going to continue to go up. That's just another one. Look at what all the analysts are saying. Look at the volume. Look at the if it's bullish or bearish. Look at certain things. I'm serious. And you put all that together. Listen to me. Together, you will have a good stock. Now, but that comes down to my 3 rules. Don't get greedy. Buy low, sell high, and timing is everything. If you look at all those indications of a stock and follow those 3 gospel facts right there, it's a good chance you're going to make money continually, and you will become a day trader like me. You I said, I don't gamble that much. I might get 100 shares or 200 shares. You might have more money than me. You might get 1,000 shares or 2,000 shares. So you might make 10 times more than I do, which I hope you do. That's what I'm here for, to get people to make money. I don't want people. My story is 25 years ago, I started doing this and I lost so much money. I did it the wrong way. I didn't follow certain policies. I was greedy. I didn't buy low, sell high. I didn't realize timing is everything. I just seen some stocks going up and I bought it. And as soon as I bought it, guess what? It started going down. You're going to run across things like that. You think a stock is good. You see it going up 8 points. Guess what? It's going to go back down again. And you're going to say, oh, that wasn't a good stock. No, that could still be a good stock. You just got to buy it when it's down. Timing is everything. If you're going to do a high volatile stock, if you're going to do a short-term investment type of a strategy, not long-term, short-term. Okay, I talked about that IRA, the individual retirement account. That's a safe thing to do long-term. I talked about penny stocks, index fund. That's another. If you're a beginning stock person, index fund is not a bad way to go because it's like a basket full of stocks, and that's what you're investing in. The most popular index fund is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 because that's a pretty good collection of stocks. That's another way to go. PE ratio, the mathematical part of getting in the stock company. The PE ratio, that's basically the price to earning ratio. Okay, it determines the stock's evaluation. See, you can Google it. You can Google beta. There's a lot of people do stocks mathematically. Now, it determines the stock evaluation, but that's not always right. It's a good chance of it being right. That's what it goes back to what I said at the beginning. Nobody knows when a stock is going to go up. They could do the mathematical part. They could do my type of part, but we don't know if the stock is going up. That's why I see so many commercials and things on TV saying, if you do the AI thing, I've been doing stocks for so long and I know when stocks are going up. Don't listen to that I call that side noise. Don't listen to that. It's best if you know how to look for a stock yourself. And that's what I'm trying to teach you and train you. And I'm still getting trained. I need you to send comments to me to help me out because I'm learning just like you. Although I've been doing it so long and I'm kind of successful, but you might still have some ideas I don't know about. So please leave comments, things like that. I gotta put this on all my videos. It's simple. Get your online brokerage account. Online. They everywhere. Okay? Wire your money in. I don't care if it's $100, $500. They will take your money. And that's not a bad amount to start with. $100, $500. You could get some pretty good stocks there. You can't buy that many shares, but hey, it's a start, right? You got to start somewhere. Now, like I said, when you retire, I'm retired. You only get that one check coming in, and that one check is all you have. But you still got a lot of money saved up in the bank. You want to get another form of income coming in. I think the stock market, honestly, that's why I make all these tapes. It's the best form, if you know what you're doing, of income coming in. That's why I need you guys to contact me, and I can teach you how you can have that next income coming in with your money. Because if you go into the stock market and you have nobody, a certain person showing you how to do it, you're going to lose that money that you developed your whole life. That's very important money to you, and I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to be successful, and I want you to make money outside your retirement check. Okay, my name is Byron. Please subscribe so I can show you more that I know. Please leave comments, and please like my videos and hit that bell. Bing, bing. And I'm just here for you. I'm not making no money off this. Like I said, well, in conclusion, I want to end this by saying that it's not, for me, it's not about the monetization of YouTube. It's about the message. It's about the message. I'm trying to get this message out because I really believe God put me on this earth to help people. And I sense that ever since I've retired, it just hit me hard. I'm trying to help people. I do side things like Uber Eats. I try to deliver food to people, stuff like that. I do so much to help people. I'm a caretaker for my father. I try to help him out. I just want to help people out. And thank you for listening. Thank you for lending me your ear. Today's Christmas. Merry Christmas. My father's birthday was yesterday, December 24th. And I just appreciate you listening and appreciate you viewing my tapes and my videos. Thank you and have a nice day.